Today we will be learning of building service aspiration, how we can build a service in order to interact or attract our customers to buy our products and services. Let's begin. Aspiration is also named as service invention, you can say, where requires understanding the customers, their region, things, and logical straight line connection to their needs. So we should assess what they need. So aspiration is all about do well, do good. So some of the aspiration can be built. How we can build, we will see the steps which are doing that. First point is create a customer service vision. So vision, you can say, it is made with strategy for communicating with the customers by the employees, and employees need to understand the how the customer thinks, what is their goal, and understand the responsibility in achieving that vision which is given by the company, and also share a compelling vision for a customer service and teach employees a service skill. So here what happens is it is basically for the employees, where we are seeing how we can aspire to interact with the customers and achieve our goals. So this all the steps is given for the employees, how we can strategize and improve ourselves. So these are the things. First thing is you should know the customer vision, and next thing is customers need assessing. So every organization can't meet the customer needs and wants. So sometimes organizations fail to do that because of the waste your reusable or valuable resources, and by through their services maybe sometimes, and all, and they don't know what the customer needs, and this is what the thing. So identifying which customer you are targeting is main thing, so that you should assess as a employer or employee. So next third step is hiring the right employees. So basically we are dealing with the service, so the people who are have some knowledge about the service sector and some training on that will be the most appropriate person to choose for that job. So hiring them will be based on the, it is an overall strategy, because the if one person clicks on, the company will rise, it will have its own name and fame. So there should be a strategy for that. Then screening employee, that is selecting the appropriate person, and it should be the person who is selecting should be in a supporting customer service environment. So he should be trained and learned about customer service, how the environment was, and how we should deal with that. Next thing is setting a goals for customer service. So being in a company you have started, you should have some goals and objectives and propaganda to prove. So one thing is you should set a goal, so that can be done by the step SMART, that's smart, means specific. You should be specific about what we are selling or what we are giving the service, and sometimes measurable. All the services are not measurable, but some are measurable, that should be then attainable. Your goods or services should be realistic, and they have the tools to resource and attain it. Relevant, you should, you have the name but you are not doing what the brand needs, so that you should take count of the, and time based, you should have a deadline in order to achieve that goals. That's just the thing. And once the customer's expectations are identified by the company, these can be achievable. So one thing is customer as goals should be attainable only when employees are able to attain them, know their things, know the objective of them, they can do. Example, you can see in the call centers, while we confess our problems or while buying goods, they try to sell the things in a very peculiar manner, and it helps them to generate revenue also. Train on service skills. So the employee should be with the adequate workshops and also the software skills in order to deal with the customers, because the nature of customers they are dealing will be not peculiar. They should have some keen approach in order to achieve the thing, and they should be given a practical task in order to initiate their skills, because the book skills will help only to pass the exam. The life skill will always help you to deal with the current scenarios and achieve the goals who you are now. So employees need to understand what you want them to do. So that is the thing, you need workshops and also the soft skill training in order to attain that. Next thing is hold a people accountable. So here hold the people accountable in the sense understanding the services and how the customer affects our organization. We should see that is simple. So set expectation, invite commitment from the customers, measure their progress, whether they're buying or not, whether they are influencing other people or not, and provide a feedback. They should provide a feedback. If there any encounters with misleading happen, they should link to the consequences and evaluate the effectiveness. So this is the simple method for people accountability we can take. So we can measure the things and we can see how the customer is satisfied or not, and we can comprehensively improve our performance management system in order to cultural norm. So this is the thing. For the attendance purpose, girls type smart, boys type simple in order to get your attendance. The last thing is reward and recognize good service. So here what happens is every employee has different perspective, different sections, different manners, different skills. So in order to reward them, they should accomplish the role which they have given in an organization. They should be in a team leading purpose or in the team working thing, or the making environment positively, and their behavior is accurate towards customer, then only they can reward the employees. So rewarding is necessary because this is what they makes them to go on for the task and make company profitable, and also happy customers will be retained from him, because and it is a long term idea which every company follows. That's it guys, I hope you guys have got it. Thank you.